Welcome to my Zaius review. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at this marketing automation platform. Zaius is a SaaS tool designed to help businesses automate their marketing efforts and deeply understand customer behavior. It's packed with features that let you track and analyze customer interactions across multiple channels like email, web, and social media. From personalized messaging to detailed customer analytics, Zaius promises to improve customer engagement and optimize your marketing campaigns. Let's start by taking a look at the homepage and dashboard. Zaius offers an intuitive interface that allows you to manage all aspects of your customer data in one place. You'll find quick access to key features like customer profiles, campaign management, and reporting tools. The platform also integrates seamlessly with many popular CRM systems, making it easier to sync data and gain insights from across your business. The data-driven approach really stands out here. As you explore further, you'll notice Zaius' robust segmentation tools, which let you group customers based on behavior, location, and other factors. This allows you to target specific groups with tailored messages, improving the overall effectiveness of your campaigns. Another key feature of Zaius is its automation capabilities. You can set up automated email sequences, trigger campaigns, and more, all designed to save time while enhancing the customer experience. In terms of analytics, Zaius offers detailed reports that show how well your campaigns are performing. You can track engagement metrics, conversion rates, and even see how individual customers are interacting with your brand over time. This level of detail is incredibly useful for refining your strategy and ensuring you're getting the best ROI on your marketing efforts. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Whether you're looking for additional tutorials or information on related tools, these resources could be a great help. Be sure to check them out for more in-depth learning. Now, as for pricing, Zaius operates on a subscription-based model. Pricing can vary based on the number of users and features you need, so it's worth getting in touch with their sales team for a custom quote. Overall, Zaius is a powerful tool for businesses looking to streamline their marketing automation, but it does come with a learning curve, especially if you're new to SaaS platforms. That wraps up my review of Zaius. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews of SaaS platforms and other business tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.